Hello everyone, God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. I so much appreciate you. If it's your first time just come across my video, God bless you. And please don't forget to follow me on my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube. The name of my YouTube is Hope World TV. Hope World TV is an amazing place that is amazing, so amazing that you will really enjoy it. Everything that we are doing, every program on my YouTube, I wrote everything on my Facebook. You will see there, Hope World TV. Follow me there. Subscribe to my YouTube. If you subscribe to my YouTube, you are so much blessed. I so much appreciate you. Those that already subscribe, God bless you. I appreciate you all so much. It's a place that we study Bible together. A word of hope for you to not give up in your dream, for you to not give up in your marriage, no matter how the situation. I'm not talking about those vagabond marriage where man want to panabit a woman like say is a slave. No, I'm not talking about that, because no woman is a slave. I'm talking about marriage, just with real marriage that God created, designed, that no matter what is you are passing through right now, you are passing through, don't give up. Don't give up in that marriage. Build that marriage in the hands of God. Like God said to Peter, upon this rock you will build my church. The gate of hell shall not prevail against it. That I give you this king. Anything you bind on earth will be bound in heaven. Build your marriage like that. Build your marriage upon the rock. Don't give up. In any situation you are passing through right now, in any challenges that you are passing through, don't give up. Don't give up. Hold on God. Believe that everything will work out for your good. That is what we talk about on my YouTube. Or in that little business you just start, don't give up. You don't have to give up to say, oh, you don't think that you are going to achieve in that business. You don't think that the business is going to flourish. You don't think that everything is going to work out for that business in that little shop. You are discouraged. You want to close it off. For you to not close it off, because you never know the day God will send your divine helper to your life. For you to not give up. Do not give up in anything you are passing through, because the day God will visit you, it will be like a dream. It will be like during time of Noah, when God was telling Noah, I'm going to bring rain to destroy the world. I'm going to bring the day. They didn't believe it. But the day that the rain come, it was a surprise day. But the people that believe, that have that faith to believe, that they will save. That's safe, but don't give up. Have that faith, have that belief inside your heart that God created you in a purpose, that you are the seed of Abraham, that the day God created you, you know everything that you are going to pass through on this earth. He said that children shall never borrow to eat, they shall never suffer. No matter how the situation you are passing through, for you to not give up. Because the Bible says, heaven and earth shall pass away, but the word of God never pass away. Don't give up. Don't give up in anything that you are passing through. That is what we talk about of my YouTube, to encourage you, to build you, for you to hold on your faith, for you to know the purpose that God created you. That is what we talk about there. A lot of things like that. So to study Bible together, to pray together. That is what we talk about there. Don't give up. It's very, very important for you to not give up in any situation, in any challenges that you are passing through. I make example on my video I did before, that sometimes when someone is walking, is just walking on the street or something like that, by the time you want to reach the destination, if you want to faint and tired, give up. Some things will be discouraging. Oh, you don't. Are you sure you are going to make this journey? Are you sure you are going to make this journey? But if you give up, if you listen, if you give that ear to that negative words, they will make you to give up. But when you give ear to the positive, telling you that you just go forward, pull forward, you are going to achieve it. Pull forward, you are going to achieve your dream. Pull forward, don't give up. Don't look back. Just move forward. Don't look background you come from. Don't look at people that surround your back. Just go forward. You don't have to look those negative people back behind us or your back. Just push forward. When you continue listening to those voices, he didn't give up. He will reach the destination and possess everything that God has for him. But when you listen to those negative things, it will be easy to give up. That is what we talk about on my YouTube. Try to subscribe to my YouTube, and God bless you as you subscribe. I so much appreciate your subscribe. follow me there. Follow me on my YouTube. It's not hard to subscribe. It's just one finger to just press it. That's it, subscribe. I do really appreciate a subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you and remain blessed. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Watch my video on this Sunday, this very Sunday. You are going to enjoy it. It's good. It's an amazing video that you will learn a lot of things. That how to keep your husband, no matter how your husband be, even though he's a vagabond, even though he's a liar, how you will keep it that will make it so romantic that when someone see it, will think, oh, are you sure this woman didn't charm this man? No, it's not charm. I don't believe those things. There is a lot of things that you will do that a vagabond will come to submissive to you, that every people that see it will think you charm this man or you charm this lady. How it work? Do you know how it work? Join me on Sunday on my YouTube. They will tell you that is the king of my marriage. People will say, oh yes sir, oh yes, of course they know it's yes sir. No, there is secret that behind marriage, submissive. Is submissive. When two boys cannot live in the same two boys cannot live in the same home. No, when one submissive to one, things will work out for just amazing in a different ways. Watch that video of Sunday. It was going to be amazing. That is the charm. That is the charm that as a woman you have to use for your man to charm your husband. Not to go to the native doctor, not to go to Babalawo, not to go to the higher prophet, the great man of God, or the higher Babalawo. No, don't go there. What you're going to use for your husband is in you, is inside you, Well, that is what you are going to use for your husband or use for your wife to build your marriage, to make your marriage to be perfect. Perfect. Marriage is understanding. No matter how you try to use the whole voodoo or the whole words in your marriage, or try to go and meet the whole bishop all over the world in your marriage, when your attitude is still bad, into a husband, you don't know what husband means, you don't know what the meaning of marriage, the man don't know what a wife means, you don't know the meaning of getting a wife, the marriage doesn't work. No, it doesn't work. Those is just like a drink, someone that drink. When the drink clear, the person will come more than vagabond. He will just more than vagabond. He will more worsted than the way he is before. But when you use this method, join me on YouTube on Sunday. You are going to see the romantic how to hold your husband. That is the king of my marriage. That's the king of my marriage. When some people will say, they'll say, oh yes, sir. Yes, so yes, that is me. That's why my husband, he cherished me so much, like more than goat. Why? Because of the king. When you make mistake of your life before God, you try to come down to realize by yourself what caused those mistakes, what you was doing that was wrong. When you realize your mistake, everything will work out smoothly in your marriage, in every area of your life. If it's your hot temper before, you try to work on it. If you didn't respect your husband or your wife, you try to work on it. As a man, if you see that because you always look pure for different women, you try to work on it. Because that is unacceptable in any marriage, in any woman, that you have a woman you are going to be cheating in the different type of woman. Well, I always said that in my video, what you like in that woman, you try to make sure you are doing it for your wife, to make your wife to be attractive to you, not to look like cherubim and seraphim. You are, because you put it on cage, you are looking for different women that are free outside to be cheating. No, that is not acceptable on my YouTube. That I'm not talking, it's not those I'm talking about. For you to not be doing those things, That is very, very important for you to know what marriage really is, for your understanding. We are going to talk about that on my YouTube or Sunday. Try to watch that video. It's going to be a romantic, if you are having problem with your husband, to know the king, to know. No charm. People say charm, 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 charm. No, this is the charm on to hold your man. That is my king. It's going to work for you too. When you do it, your husband will cherish you. Your husband will love you. You think your husband will, a husband you think that is a flirter before, husband you think that is a bitter before, maybe he hit you, he point you like a punch. When you do those things, when you do what I'm going to tell you, on Sunday, you watch that video, you will see everything will just smooth in your marriage. Everything will work out for your good. Don't let nobody to tell you to break your home. No, don't let nobody to tell you to leave this man. This man is not good for you, or leave this woman. The woman is not good for you. No, you don't have to do that. Marriage is beautiful. Marriage is amazing. Marriage is sweet. Marriage is sweet. When you find the right one, even though the Satan want to try to do one thing and the other, don't give up in that marriage. Try to put the marriage in the hands of God and build it with your own wisdom.